rained a little bit.
Just a little bit.
So we're gonna go walking down these hay bales.
Hay bales.
All the way out and through the middle, dude. Might catch a fish while we're out here.
I should have brought my pole.
Look at this.
Holy crap.
Look at this gate, dude.
This entire fence pretty much is underwater right here.
Get down here on it. Let me see the camera.
Bro, that one's literally floating.
What is that? Ew. Yeah.
All right, so look at this bale. It's out here floating.
Dude, this is like one of them things you get on the lake. One of them
lake mats. Let's detach it and you can go out to the stand and get our battery. Yeah.
I think Kobe and his dad are gonna take the boat out on it.
Yep.
You're gonna get the drone out and
yeah, we're definitely gonna get the drone out and record.
It's gonna be hilarious.
It's pretty big. Pretty big old lake out here now.
Yeah.
I think
I think we're gonna call it Lake Logan Sport.
Yeah.
I think that's pretty cool.
All right, guys. So we got the boat out on the floodwaters. We're gonna go and ride around and see what we can find. All right, guys. So we're gonna get this bundle of wood and we're gonna tie it up to the tree and try and save it when the water goes down.
Right,
we can get it. There you go. That hold?
Yeah.
All right, there we go.
Right there. This is why I brought the big lens right here.
Get down. Hey, bud. There you go.
We're all here now.
Yeah. We picked up some stragglers. There we go.
There's paddle somewhere.
Right here.
Hold on just a minute. Make sure we don't want to hit. Just like kayaking, you want to go through the bead. I'll get it Well, we're not gonna hit nothing.
Oh!
Oh!
Right there. That's a tree.
Got the limb. Yeah, just a limb.
We broke that loose.
Yeah, we did. We busted her loose.
We're
actually saving the environment. We're breaking all. Well, y'all got this. I'm gonna film it.
Watch your eyeballs is all I'm worried about.
Show them living.
Use that paddle. Get them limbs.
Hit it, Lucas. Oh,
Push away from
yeah, I got him.
Got him all right.
Just take him on my back. Oh. I just got down to the floor.
Did you get wrecked?
No.
I don't know where it's at.
Yeah, exactly.
If I did. And I can't see nothing for the sun.
That's where we sled. This is the field behind it. About a week ago.
We're out here on the lake, guys.
2 foot deep.
Oh, good.
That's real shallow right there. How shallow is that?
0.
Yeah, that's good.
We're stuck.
All right, so the field was too shallow. We kept hitting that dirt. So we're going back up the creek we came against the current. Back through the limbs. What's right here, Kobe?
7 foot.
I don't know, man.
We're 7 foot above the concrete.
Yeah.
The concrete bridge.
Yep, we're at the concrete bridge in
So-
the bottoms.
What, right
Rope
there?
swing. Where's the rope swing?
It's gone, it broke.
Oh, dude.
But
But yeah, it was off that tree right there.
yep.
How deep out there you think it is?
I don't know.
Oh, 20.
15?
Yeah.
Because it's deep, you know,
Yeah,
past.
maybe 15, 17, 15.
Yep.
Crazy.
I mean, we're still 8 foot right here.
Oh. Yeah, we're in the bottoms right now.
So it's a CO2 powered. It gives medicine to cows and calves. We already shot one and it worked. Worked good. We're gonna look around and see if there's any more that need it.
I don't want to look at you.
Makes you feel bad?
No, I just want their flat, I want a flat neck.
There he goes.
Perfect shot.
Yeah, you definitely hit that. All right, now we're gonna try it out on a cow that has a hurt leg. Got a way bigger injector. You missed? Did you really?
Yeah. Delete. Oh, 3 leg.
Quit looking at us.
Lean forward.
There you go. Going through the water. He thinks he cool.
Do it, Donnie. Go, keep going out. He's in 2-wheel drive. Better go for it if you're going for it. You're halfway there. Go.
Put a snorkel on it.
Oh God. You're
Halfway there.
You're in the deepest spot. Go.
Oh, he wasn't in the deepest spot either.
Holy crap, dude. I think this guy's an idiot.
Yeah, pretty much.